Howdy YouTube, welcome to another episode of the Gunman Raw. So let's get straight into it. We've got a couple of panels here to finish off this job. Wicked results I've been getting on the rest of this job, so let's not continue waffling on, let's get into it. So that's it, guys. Simplicity in and of itself. So I'll go out and I'll hit the burner up to 30 degrees. Clean the base coat gun out, mix up some clear coat, clean up the bench. That'll probably give me about 10 to 15 minutes before I hit clear, before I hit it with the clear. But man, that is looking ultra clean. We might even just leave it at a base coat video for this. I might just add a little bit on at the end just to give you guys a look at it once it's dried down. But yeah, man, it's really easy to spray this PPG OneVisit. I actually think it's easier to spray than the EnviroBase because it's less critical with the drying in between coats. So there we go, guys. I thought I'd just give you a quick look at it just to finish the video off once it's dried down. Have a look at how silky smooth that is, man. It is so good. So like I say, some of those edges did sort of start setting up, but you just keep going and they dry out fine, unlike the Stando Blue. If those edges start setting up before you get your drop coat down, man, they're going to be big mottly sections and the metallic just won't look right. So like I say, man, credit where it's due. They've done well with the OneVisit. They've really done well, PPG. Anyway, that's it for a big, guys. Have a good one.